Think growing your own superfoods is impossible with your hectic schedule? You see those lush, green, nutrient-packed microgreens, and imagine they demand hours you just don't have. Well, what if I told you there's a simple tray trick that takes less than 5 minutes to set up? Stick with me, and I'll show you how to get a fresh, continuous harvest in about a week. Section 1. The premise. Let's be honest, fresh greens are expensive at the grocery store, and the idea of starting a garden can feel completely overwhelming, like another chore on an endless to-do list. But this isn't traditional gardening. This is a shortcut, a hack. It's faster, way cheaper, and the results are amazing. We're talking about harvesting food that can be incredibly nutrient-dense. Some studies have shown that certain microgreens can have 4 to 40 times more of specific vitamins like C and E than their mature counterparts. You can do this, and it will take less time than you spend waiting for your coffee to brew. Section 2. The simple setup. All right, let's get right into it. The entire system is built on simplicity, so you don't need a bunch of fancy equipment. First, you need trays. A standard 10 by 20 tray works, but for busy people, smaller is often better. Look for compact sprouting trays or even clean, repurposed food-safe containers. The key is to get 2 types, one with drainage holes and one without. Next, your growing medium. Don't overthink it. A simple bag of cocoa coir or organic potting soil is perfect. Finally, your seeds. If you're just starting, go for the easy wins. Radish and broccoli are 2 of the most reliable and fastest growing varieties. Radishes can be ready to harvest in about 7 to 10 days. That's it. Trays, soil, seeds, and a little water. Section 3. The 5-minute process. Now for the part that takes just 5 minutes. Take your tray with the drainage holes and add about an inch of your growing medium. Don't pack it down, just level it gently. Now grab your seeds. You don't need to be precise, just sprinkle them evenly across the surface. Getting perfect spacing isn't the goal here. The goal is speed and efficiency. Once your seeds are sown, give them a good misting with a spray bottle. You want the soil and the seeds to be damp, but not swimming in water. That's the entire planting process. Seriously. Section 4. The tray trick explained. This is the magic part, the tray trick that changes everything. It's a technique called stacking, and it's what makes this method so perfect for busy people. Take your second tray, the one without holes, and place it directly on top of your planted seeds. Then add a little weight. A couple of books, a brick, or a paving stone works perfectly. Around 5 to 15 pounds is great. So why do this? This weighted stacking does 3 crucial things. First, it ensures great seed-to-soil contact, which is vital for germination. Second, it traps moisture, so you don't have to worry about your seeds drying out. Third, it simulates the pressure of being buried under soil, encouraging the seeds to send down strong, vigorous roots. Now, just place your stack in a cupboard or a corner of a room for 2 to 4 days. This blackout period is perfect for fast growers like broccoli and radish, though some seeds might like an extra day or 2. You can literally set it and forget it. Section 5. From darkness to light. After about 3 days, you might see the top tray starting to get pushed up by the sprouts. That's your cue to unstack them. You'll see a mat of yellowish, stringy-looking sprouts. Don't worry, that's exactly what you want. Now they need light. You don't need a professional grow light. A sunny windowsill will work just fine. Here's the next time-saving trick: bottom watering. Instead of spraying the delicate greens from above, which can cause mold, simply pour a bit of water into your solid bottom tray. The soil will soak up exactly what it needs through the drainage holes. You only need to check the water level every day or 2. This prevents overwatering and takes just seconds. Section 6. The payoff. Harvest time. In just 7 to 14 days from planting, you'll have a thick green carpet of microgreens ready to go. You'll know they're ready when they're about 1 to 3 inches tall, and their first set of true leaves are just beginning to develop. Harvesting couldn't be simpler. Take a sharp pair of scissors or a knife and cut the greens just above the soil level. You can harvest the whole tray at once or just cut what you need for a meal, letting the rest continue to grow. For storage, it's best not to wash them until you're ready to eat. Just place the dry greens in a sealed container in the fridge and they'll last for days. And there you have it, a fresh, continuous supply of superfoods with just a few minutes of effort a week. If this guide was helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more simple growing hacks.